Hi, today I wanted to explore some ideas about pressure plates and bridge. Uh, the idea is that when an object falls on a pressure plate, the bridge or obstacle will disappear, and vice versa. When you free the pressure plate, the object will reappear. Let's try, for example, let's load some level, for example this one. Let's obviously here the the pressure plate and the bridge are already placed because I wanted to test this. So imagine, for example, if there is a bridge here and the pressure plate is let's see, for example here. So we play. Obviously now the bridge does nothing because it doesn't exist really in the logic of the game. But the idea is that you could go with a crate and let it go on the pressure plate, and the bridge will disappear, and you can access other places. So let's remove this and let's add to the generator the necessary logic. First, we must add the representation. We should create a new struct bridge with a position and a boolean that indicates if it's solid or not. And here we need an array of bridges. So in the make function, when we make a level, we must add the bridges. We have to add also not only this, but similar, that is the plate crash. This will be solid by default, and this will be unpressed by default. Okay, so we need an array of plates and an array of bridges. So in the make function, we will add code. I often forget the complexities of the previous code. Okay, suppose let's add the code before we return. We need to add, let's see, visualize the problem. We need to add bridges in positions. Perhaps it's a bad name. More than bridges, they will be like obstacles that can be walked on. So they can serve a dual function, like assist the player. For example, if a bridge is here, the bridge allows the player to cross, but if the bridge is here, it impedes the player to progress. But yeah, let's use the name bridge for now, and we need to add bridges in positions that seem interesting. So this is let's see, another possible levels. For example, if we can detect situations like this is a good candidate. situations in which a space has a wall to the left and to the right, or perhaps even these positions which block the access. Perhaps we could use the same logic for bridges and obstacles, but in the game use different assets to mark them, but I don't know. For now, let's use the same logic and detect possible. First, let's add literal bridges. So we will detect only this situation. For that, we need to explore. Yeah, I think we need a function that will return true or false if a position can be a bridge, similar to the can be opening function that we used to put the entrances or the sigils. Yeah. So can be bridge will return. We need situations. I said that. Where are the conditions, or what are the conditions? There must be space above and below, and not be space on the sides. So that is, I think, too much GDScript. Post plus down, not is space post plus left, and not is space post plus right. And we will use the trick I showed in a recent tutorial for this. So for each space, if it can be bridged, we will increase the quantity. We need the index. The chosen one is at least 0. We have a winner. Is space. This is a function, because this space is a function from the ASCII. Okay. Yeah, this compiles. Okay, now if we have a chosen space, we add the bridge position, and we will do the same or something similar for the plates. This need a space up and not a space down, and also need spaces to the left or to the right. So we need an OR here, and this one, and we don't need lava. Yeah, it's lava below. So okay, the same. Let's see. Let's surround this with braces. Let's do the same, but for the plates. We will choose. Okay, in principle, this will choose a random space. We should do this only if we have at least a bridge. Sorry, we need to construct solid, and here we need to construct a plate. False, and this works. Okay, now in the toString function, we need to add symbols for the bridges and the, yeah, let's see, underscore we are using for the lava. We are using these letters for the crate types. We could use plus for the bridges. Perhaps let's check the symbols. We are using equal signs for the sigils. Let's use a minus symbol for the pressure plates, and yeah, we also need to check in the make function. We need to check for and the same for the plates, I think, because I don't want the plates to be pressed when we initiate the level. And another thing, yeah, if we did not find any plate, we should remove the bridge. Yeah, that is necessary. Okay, let's return to the toString. We know that the player cannot collide and the crates cannot collide with the bridges. And okay, so until this is just in case there are more than one bridge. Let's use, let's see, percent. Okay, a percent sign for the bridges and a minus sign for the plates. And I think, yeah, we need to use a lambda function here, because the count until uses, sorry, count until uses a predicate if you pass it. So from the list we take the position and compare with the second argument, and the same in the can be bridge, like I did here. Okay, let's generate several levels and check if we have, okay, we have a pressure plate here and a bridge here. Let's search for bridges. Nice. We have some bridges. Interesting. Okay. Now, this is obviously only the creation, and we need to add, after we move, let's see, we call try move from the find solutions function, and from try move we check if we fall several times and if the player loses. So in this function we need to check first, we need to check this, but I will add that tomorrow, because this is a bit long and I need to think about how to do it properly. So we'll add this tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have something to say about this, or if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video or the channel with people that could learn something or enjoy my meandering way of programming. Thanks.